काँग्रेसीत सध्या सावळो गोंधळ चल्ला। काल राती अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेसीचो सरचिटणीस मुकुल वासनिकान गोंयच्या आमदारांची बसका घेतली। बंडखोर आमदार ह्या वेळार हजर आशिल्ले, पूण बंडखोर आमदाराचेर कितें कारवाय जातली हाचेर अजूनय काँग्रेसीन स्पश्टीकरण दिवंक ना।
काँग्रेसीचो आमदार दिगंबर कामत आनी मायकल लोबोन पक्षाच्या विरोधात बंड केला, अशें काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडूराव आनी गोंय प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरान घोशीत करून तांचेर कारवाय करपाचो आदेशय दिल्लो। काँग्रेसीन काल दनपरां मायकलाची विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी म्हूण हकालपट्टी केली, पूण अजून मेरेन नवो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी काँग्रेसीन वेंचूंक ना। ह्या दोग आमदारांच्या विरोधात अपात्रता याचिका दाखल करतले अशी शिटकावणी काँग्रेसीन दिल्ली। काल रातया काँग्रेस हावजांत अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेसीचो सरचिटणीस मुकुल वासनिकान काँग्रेसीच्या सगळ्या आमदारां बरोबर वैयक्तीक पांवड्यार चर्चा केली। सगळे आमदार हजर आशिल्ले, फकत दिगंबर कामत सोडून। मायकल सामको उसरा पावलो। बसका जाल्या उपरांत मायकल, वासनीक आनी पाटकर मिडिया कडेन उलयले। आयकात।
बड़ी अच्छी बात हुई।
आप डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन पिटीशन आगे लेके जाएंगे या विड्रॉ करेंगे?
अभी सभी के सभी सवालों के जवाब एक ही बार मत पूछ लीजिए, कुछ सवालों के जवाब हम बाद में भी दे सकते हैं। कुछ नापाक इरादे रखने वाले लोग हमारे देश की राजनीति में पिछले कुछ समय से अलग अलग दलों के, खास करके कांग्रेस पार्टी के विधायकों को, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं को तोड़ने का उन्होंने एक सिलसिला शुरू रखा है। कहीं पर उन्हें कामयाबी मिली, कहीं पर नहीं मिली। यहाँ गोवा में उन्होंने उसी तरह से प्रयास करने की कोशिश करी, लेकिन यहाँ कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने, कांग्रेस के विधायकों ने दिखा दिया कि वो हर नापाक इरादा हमें तोड़ने का जो आप करोगे उसे हम सफल नहीं होने देंगे। ये पिछले दिनों की घटना ने साफ करके दिखा दिया।
That we are strongly with the Congress party. We have got elected on Congress, so it is our term of 5 years. We have to be with the party. All those things which are going on, I said you need to discuss individually with them. If we get this, you tell me now. If I have not attended a press conference over here, is it a ground for disqualification? Because I have come, I did not come over here. Okay. We took press conference there. No? All of you were present at Fortune one day before. We took press also at the hotel where we went. Then again over here. I said, what we are trying to show the people. There is absolutely, I said, whatever has happened, you need to talk to all of them. And we are all together. And I have already earlier told Gundurao ji, had already told our GPCC president also, that whatever is happening in the state right now, after I getting elected as a MLA and in the Congress and as a CLP member, and the number of cases which are filed on me, I said I won't be able to do complete justice. And I had told them to give the CLP to whoever you all want to give, one among us, among the 11. That somebody else should be made as a Congress legislature party. There is no case in disqualification. So on the basis of whatever was happening, they have filed. So it is for the speaker to decide. Merely not attending a press conference is not a case for disqualification. Now it is clear. It is up to them to decide on the disqualification petition. It is I think filed on Digambarji and me. So if I have not attended the press conference or I have not come yesterday's meeting over here, that is not a ground.
Doubt clear झालं
I am not interested. I have already told that right now I am not interested. The party can choose whoever they want, one among the 11.
पण आता दिगंबर बाप्पा आजू हांगासर ना।
Even Digambar they can make, no? Earlier he was there. He can make him also.
तुम्ही सजेस्ट केला?
Yeah, I suggested today his name, Sankalp's name, whoever they want.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी आनी विलियम रॉड्रिग्स।